Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3. We are going to start unit 1. Its title is The Two Brave Sahaba Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhuma. Today is lecture 1 under the title of grammar. We'll learn about noun and we'll cover page number 12 of your book. Before this, in your previous class, English for grade 1, I have taught you naming words. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video again. And in English 2, I again taught you grammar and I taught you about naming words, singular naming words, plural naming words, and many more things. I hope you remember. If not, again, you may watch this video. And today we'll learn further and we'll recognize naming words as noun. Demonstrate use of some nouns from immediate and extended environment. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah 50, verse 38, and we, Allah, did certainly create the heavens and earth, and what is between them in 6 days, and these touched us no weariness. Yes, my dear children, whatever is in earth, heaven, and in between them, Allah is mentioning it in Quran that Allah created it within just 6 days. What I want you to think about, just think about heavens. There are 7 heavens. The one we look, the sky, that is our earth's heaven. Now, when we look at the sky, what do we see? Planets, stars, moon, solar system, galaxies, Milky Ways, and many more. Even we don't know whatever is there in the heavens. And in these, when we talk about earth, it does not mean surface of the earth, deep down the earth. There are many things. In ocean, there are many kinds of creations. So what this verse tells us how almighty Allah is. Our creator is so great. He created so many things. What to talk about those things? We cannot even name all of them. So we are learning few names out of all the creations of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And we know that everything around us that we can see, hold, touch, or feel has a name. And that is called noun. Previously, we knew its naming word. Everything around us which we can see, hold, touch, or feel has a name, and that is called noun. And we classify noun in person, place, and thing. Remember, this we have already studied, and then we further learned that noun referring to person, place, and things are divided into living things and non-living things. Remember all these things. So today we are going to learn further that this noun is close, that is our immediate environment and in our extended environment as well. So here I have a picture for you. Just to recall from your immediate environment, we have already done this activity. So you will pause your video over here and name all the things. Person, whatever you find in this picture, name everything. And let me find how smart you are, because there are many little things as well. So just look carefully. Kindly teachers pause the video. Let the children name everything which they see in this picture. Pause the video and name everything. Yes, my dear children, did you find all the naming words? Okay, let me check. So I'm going to start from this side. Here, it's a pole, it's corridor, it's a window, it's a door, it's a fence. Here is car parking, it's a car, it's a reflector, it's a hotel, it's again, you can see the branches, sky, mountain, trees, lights. Now come down here. What do you see? It's a stall, a man, a family, a child, a woman, a young boy, a man wearing jacket, a road, a pickup, a jeep, a van, a motorcycle. Here is a store. And what else? Here is a shed. There is a plant place. There is a board. You see, there is a stair. You see, there's many things are there. Maybe I could not name everything. Here it's a roof. Here is a chimney. There are many things. You see, wherever you see, there are all around us are naming words, right? So we named many, and many are still left. We can because we did not name sky, cloud and sky both. So this is how we name everything, and I'm going to show you more pictures, which maybe few of them will be new for you. So here it's the picture of an airport. Airport is a place, if we want to travel by air, we take a ticket and we go to airport. So aeroplane is a noun, airport is a noun which represents a place. Again, it's railway station. Railway station is a noun which represents a place, and here is a train. So whenever you want to travel by train, you have to go to railway station. You buy the ticket, you board in the train. And it's high court. It's a building. It's noun of a place, and it's what high court is. Basically, the legal matters we deal in on provincial level, high court deals with those matters. Okay, so there are many levels of courts: session court, high court, supreme court. So inshallah, in your general knowledge, you will study in detail. So it's name of a place, it's noun. Again, markhor. Markhor is name of our national animal. It is one of the rare animal in the world. Look at its beautiful horn. Horn is also noun. Markhor is a noun. Animal is a noun. Okay, next is partridge, which is famous as chukor. It is also the national bird of Pakistan. It's a beautiful bird. Bird is a noun. Partridge is a noun. Okay, now are you making the connection? Noun is naming word, so it's a noun. Snow leopard. Again, it's a unique animal which is found in our northern area. So snow leopard is a noun. Animal is noun. Mountain where it lives is a noun. Are you getting it? So these are all the nouns. Now let's see what does your book say about it. Open your book on page number 12. Here it's mentioned noun. Noun names a person, a place, or a thing. Nouns are also called naming words. Okay, naming words are noun, noun are naming word. This is one and the same thing. And it's here is the practice on page number 12. Underline the naming words in the given sentences. So sentences are given to you. You have to read the sentence and underline all the naming words. And my fellow teachers, along with this video lecture, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, print it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. Now kindly pause the video and practice these sentences. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Okay, so there are 3 more sentences on next page. You may also practice it. Again, you have to underline the naming words. So pause the video and do this. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? So you are clear with the concept of noun? Okay. So it's time for your homework. What you are supposed to do, pick 10 nouns. Okay, you will pick 10 nouns from your immediate environment and use these nouns in your sentences. Okay, and in this way, I'm giving you another worksheet for the practice What you are supposed to do, dear fellow teachers, along with this video lecture, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and this worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, print it, and kindly give a printed worksheet to my students. Students, you will read the paragraph and underline the nouns from the paragraphs. And you may also color the pictures mentioned here. So in this way, what we have learned, we learned that everything around us has a name that is called noun. And we recalled few nouns from our immediate environment, and we also learned some nouns from our extended environment. So in this way, we achieved our SLO, that was to recognize naming words as noun and demonstrate use of some nouns from immediate and extended environment. Are we done with it? Yes. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.